Here we have Jake trying to fix a drone.
What happened?
Well, we were flying the drone, and basically it just. Well, what happened?
You flew it into the ground.
I flew into the ground. Yeah. We're just doing some.
And now the rotor blade keeps getting stuck on the safety guards.
Just doing some minor repairs, hopefully.
It's not exactly repairs. I haven't fixed anything. I'm just removing the bits, the safety guard, so it could end up a lot worse. I decided the quickest way to remove the screws was with a drill.
Ow!
What happened?
I just stood on something.
There's probably a pin or something that belongs to Mother.
So this is what we get up to in our spare time.
Pretty much. Earlier, we're trying to remove the bloody pins. Remember? Just check this blade. It's not damaged or anything, so it might be because it's very loose. But who gives a damn? Rightio then.
Right. Now we'll just give it a quick test flight.
Not indoors.
Yeah, out just outside the front door. Yeah.
What do I do with the battery?
Probably on the shelf
Oh,
somewhere.
it's in here. It's in the drone.
Okay.
Oh, it's still plugged in. I did that with it all plugged. Okay, that was a bad idea. Fuck it. Right, grab this.
Let's go outside.
Oh, there's a guard on it still.
Oh. and the guard is still on the drone.
See that?
The guard is now off the drone.
I need to swap my glasses over. The same as the other pair, it's just the blue pair is more comfortable.
Yeah.
Oh, when it's raining outside.
Yeah, and it's still raining quite heavily. Not the best time to fly anything outside.
Who gives a damn? Power. Oh, first we open the door. Oh yeah, there's a porch light.
Oh.
Power. It's fine now.
And the drone is now completely fine. All fixed.
Right, let's go put the nose cone on because I forgot to do that.
And the drone is now fixed.
Basically, that guard is completely busted. Whatever guard I yanked off, it's not the it's not the blade, it's the guard.
Yeah.
So I struggled for 10-20 minutes with that split pin for nothing. After all this time, it was the guard that was damaged. Do I not have any spare guards in that box?
Spare guards. Spare guards in the box.
I don't know.
Looking for spare guards in the box. I can't see any spare guards in the box.
Right, well I don't have any then.
What's in here?
That's where the battery and stuff.
No, there's no spare guards in the box.
Right then, come on. I'd end your video there. 'Cause
Okay, so that was fixing things with Jake and me. Goodbye.